There are moments in life when reality hits harder than we expected. Moments when we realize that time doesn't pause, and neither do the responsibilities we leave behind. Most families never talk about it. Most people assume they're covered. But what if the coverage you're counting on disappears the moment you need it the most? For millions of Americans, employer provided life insurance feels like security, but it's not permanent. When the job ends, when retirement begins, when life changes, that insurance quietly slips away, and so does the protection your family was depending on. But it doesn't have to be this way. Your legacy deserves more than temporary coverage. Your loved ones deserve certainty. They deserve protection that stays no matter what. That's why Lionheart Legacy Life exists. Lionheart Legacy Life specializes in permanent life insurance, coverage designed to last your entire lifetime, coverage that does not vanish when you change your job, retire, or simply grow older, coverage born from strength, rooted in integrity, and built to protect the people you love the most. Because your family's future deserves a foundation that cannot be shaken. And the truth is simple. At its base, there are only two kinds of life insurance: temporary and forever. Term insurance has an expiration date, but permanent coverage, whether whole life or universal life, stays with you for your life. No guessing, no gaps, no surprises, just protection your family can count on. Permanent coverage from Lionheart Legacy Life can even grow cash value so you can use while you're still here. It's security today and legacy tomorrow. Imagine knowing your premiums will never rise. Imagine knowing your family will receive a tax-free benefit no matter when your time comes. Imagine leaving behind love instead of debt. That's the power of permanent protection. Your family's story deserves a chapter of peace, not panic. They deserve to remember your life, not struggle with the cost of your passing. Lionheart Legacy Life stands beside families, strong, steady, unwavering, to make sure your legacy is secure and your loved ones are protected. You've carried your family with strength your whole life. Now let your legacy carry them long after you're gone. Lionheart Legacy Life. Protection with honor, legacy with purpose. Schedule your free consultation today.